How you doing, YouTube? Sorry about the sun. Haven't talked to you guys in a while. This is Mr. Meadows. What we got going on? I'm making a video because I saw another one that was similar to what's going on, but I just wanted to make one specific for this make and model because I know that a lot of times when I look for repairs, I look for it by make and model, your make and model, something like that. So what we got here is a '06 Volkswagen Passat. The issue is that the battery is boiling. So once we noticed that was going on, um, started looking around and everything and found out that basically what's going on is that the alternator is putting out too much voltage. So it's putting out above 12, probably about 15 above, and that extra wattage is heating the battery up, overcharging the battery and heating the battery up. Well, it's not charging the battery, it's just heating the battery up. It's too much for the battery to hold. So it also kill your battery's life and drain your battery at the same time and boil it and leave it without enough water for it to maintain proper charge. So if you have an issue, you'll see here where you have either water on the cover, or as you can see here, there's a little steam because I just drove it, testing it. You see it coming out right there. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, and it'll coming out here. Exactly what's going on is the battery's overheating because of the alternators putting out too much voltage. Uh, the alternator won't show the normal signs of going bad, like the lights dimming, or you run, or the battery running dead while you're driving. Um, what you will do is you'll smell a corrosive smell because of the acid in the vapor. It'll come through the vent while you're driving, and you'll smell a corrosive vapor, almost like diesel fuel burning. So if you smell that burning smell or diesel fuel smell, check your battery. If the battery's boiling, it's not just the battery; it's the alternator too. Just wanted to let you know. Tip from Mr. Meadows. This is for a lot of cars, but this is specifically for Passat, a 2006 Volkswagen Passat and similar models. Thank you guys. See you later.